Hi, this is Cheryl from AhaSlides. Let me show you Pin on Image, a simple way to turn any picture into an interactive activity. Let's start by adding a new slide. Choose Pin on Image. Add image. And write your question. For example, where are you from? Each participant can drop. The other settings work the same way as the rest of the collecting opinion slides. When you present, participants simply tap anywhere on the image to drop their pin, and their responses appear instantly on the screen. This also works well in training. For example, you can show a diagram and ask, where is the process confusing? Everyone answers, and the pattern quickly shows you where to focus. Give Pin on Image a try in your next session. Thank you.